Ensuring the accuracy of your inventory data is crucial for smooth operations. Here's a quick checklist to get your inventory back on track. 1. Conduct a physical count against recorded inventory levels to identify discrepancies. Bad information begets bad inventory decisions. 2. Conduct an ABC analysis. Classify items based on their importance and value to prioritize accuracy checks for high-value items and prioritize production orders. See the notes in this video for a downloadable template. 3. Documentation. Keep meticulous records of all inventory transactions, including receipts, sales, returns, and adjustments. This will track the many ways that inventory can go up and down to keep your current inventory accurate. 4. Stock rotation. Ensure FIFO or FIFO methods are being followed to prevent obsolete and aging stock. FIFO means first inventory in is the first inventory out, and FIFO means that the first inventory to expire is the first inventory out. 5. Supplier communication. Confirm lead times with suppliers to ensure your inventory calculations are based on accurate information. Over time, this information tends to stray from reality. Inaccurate lead times can have a huge impact on your stock levels and the frequency of going out of stock. 6. Barcode or RFID scanning. Implement scanning systems to minimize the amount of human error in data entry and retrieval. Now, ensure that your product labels scan accurately because many retail customers impose fines on suppliers when products won't scan. Training staff. You need to educate your team about the importance of accurate inventory data, how inaccurate data can cause large financial problems, and how their actions can help the company avoid these large issues. 8. Identify shrinkage. Look into the reasons for shrinkage. This could be theft, damage, could be human error, and see whether the value of shrinkage is trending over time. Is it getting better or is it getting worse? 9. Item status. It's important to identify obsolete or orphan SKUs in your item list. Over time, this data tends to go out of date. So determine a plan to sell, donate, or scrap the obsolete and orphaned inventory. These SKUs are taking up valuable storage space but yielding no revenue. If you're not familiar with item status, the most popular ones are active, discontinued, superseded, which means a part has been replaced by another item number, or obsolete. And 10. Performance metrics. Track key performance indicators or KPIs such as inventory turns, inventory age, and inventory cost as a % of sales. Are these metrics getting better or worse? For several of these metrics, I've got templates available, which I'll put down in the notes. I hope you make use of this quick checklist to get your inventory back on track.